Hi everyone, this video is about coherence and cohesion in writing. So through this videotape, I'm going to explain how to make your writing cohesive and coherent. Alright, what is coherence and cohesion? This picture is a good metaphor. In this picture, each chain could refer to a sentence, so as each chain connected with one another. In writing, it's similar. In writing, each sentence should be connected with previous and following sentences. This is the basic concept of coherence and cohesion. Some people said that these two concepts are the same meaning. However, they are a little bit different. So, coherence is more related to the fact that ideas hold together. In other words, the ideas should tie together throughout sentences. However, cohesion is more surface level issues, which means that sentences hold together. Therefore, these two concepts are slightly different from each other. Cohesion is determined by lexically and grammatically overt intersentential relationships, whereas coherence is based on semantic relationships. There are 4 ways to make your writing more coherent and cohesive. The first one is to repeat key nouns or key noun substitutes. The second is to use consistent pronouns. And the third is to use transition signals to connect ideas. The fourth is to arrange your ideas in logical order. In the following slides, I will explain each based on example sentences. Okay, the first one is about repeating some key nouns. Whenever we write, sometimes we face with the situation that a key noun repeats in writing. Some writers think that repeating key nouns is not a desirable idea in your writing due to redundancy. However, sometimes you should repeat a key noun instead of using a pronoun when the meaning is not clear. In this paragraph, a key noun gold repeats 4 times and there are some use of pronouns, it. There is no clear rule about when to repeat key nouns and when to use pronouns. However, the most important thing about when you use key nouns or when you use pronouns is about meaning. So if the meaning is clear, you can use pronouns. However, if the meaning is not clear, you'd better just repeat the key nouns just redundantly. The second strategy is about using key noun substitute. Key noun substitute refer to replacing a word with another synonym. And this is very essential strategy for avoiding redundancy of keywords in English writing. In the example paragraph, the writer replaces with the word application with use, and they are same meaning. Although the writer can repeat the word application, the writer selects another similar word use here in order to avoid redundancy. Many ESL students, however, have limited range of vocabulary, so they tend to use the same word. My advice is that you can refer to a useful online tutorial site. This site would be very useful for ESL students to avoid redundancy in their writing. The third strategy of using consistent pronoun is not highly recommended strategy because in this video I already suggest both repeating keywords and using pronouns. However, as far as meaning is clear, when using consistent pronouns, this strategy would be another option for achieving coherence and cohesion. In this example paragraph, the author at the first sentence discusses the key noun Olympic athletes, and then the writer consistently uses pronoun they because meaning is clear in this example. However, I highly recommend using keywords and pronouns together. Among the 4 ways of achieving coherence and cohesion, using transitional signals is the most common strategy in writing. However, when using transition words, you should appropriately use them because some ESL students make mistakes using transition words. I will explain use of transition signals with this example. In this paragraph, the author argues that salinity varies in different climate zones. This is a topic sentence of this paragraph, and then the author supports the sentence with example. In order to help readers' understanding, the writer uses a transitional signal, for example. And then the author suggests two reasons for various salinity between Baltic Sea in Europe and Red Sea in the Middle East. The phrase of "there are two reasons" is another transitional device for telling readers that the writer explains two reasons. And then the writer uses another transition words, first of all, in order to explain the first reason. In the first reason, the author also uses therefore in order to emphasize the causal relation between in warm climate zones, water evaporates rapidly, and the sentence the concentration of salt is greater. And then the author includes second in order to explain another reason, and within the reason, the author also uses two other transition words on the other hand and furthermore. I can clearly say that this paragraph is very coherent and cohesive because the author appropriately uses many transitional signals. Although using transition signals might not be important, if the writer does not use them, readers might take more time to understand this paragraph. Therefore, using transitional signals is a very important strategy for achieving coherence and cohesion. So far, I explained cohesion and coherence in writing and the four ways of achieving the cohesion and coherence. And I hope that this video helps you when you write. Thank you.